Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube video. Today we're gonna be doing my everyday makeup routine. I don't wear makeup every day, but you know, when I do wear makeup and I'm trying to look like cute, extra cute, this is what I do. Please ignore the open closet. If it bothers you, I'm so sorry, but my closet has a mirror and the reflection would probably be 10 times worse. But on that note, I'm gonna be showing you guys what I use to go from this to this. If you guys like this look that we're working with here, make sure to watch all the way to the end of this video, and if you enjoy, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe.
Okay guys, let's get started. First things first, we're gonna tie up this hair and make sure it's out the way. Then we're gonna moisturize our lips. We don't do chapped lips here. It's important to moisturize the lips first so we have a nice base when we do lips later. And speaking of moisturizing, here's something I actually realized I forgot to moisturize on my face, but it's okay. I use my Cetaphil moisturizing lotion to get that smooth base we need to get started. And this moisturizer is light enough so my makeup won't feel cakey afterwards, which I love, so I like to really massage it in. And then on top of that, I like to go on my Smashbox Photo Finish Primer. And I really like to rub this into my skin because it definitely lives up to its name, leaving me with a photo finish effect before I even get any makeup on. Like when I don't wear makeup at all, I like to really rub this in. But disclaimer, all the brushes I use in this video are either from e.l.f., the dollar store, or a Christmas present, or I'm just using my hands. So that being said, I'm going to wet my foundation brush and start placing my Too Faced Born This Way matte foundation in the shade Maple all over my face. And as you can see, this shade doesn't exactly match me anymore because I got this during the winter. However, this foundation matches my undertone and the highlights of my face perfectly, so I like to mix it with my NARS Natural Radiant foundation in the shade New Caledonia to match the deeper shades of my skin. Look at that blend. But after I'm done blending, I go in my Juvia's Place concealer in the shade 9 and I place it under my eyes, around my nose, and on my chin. Oh my god, look at me. I look like a flat potato right now. But to avoid this, I'm going to add some shading to my face. We're going to be using Rare Beauty Concealer as a contour. This contour or concealer goes a long way, so I don't use too much. However, since I have a rounder face, I like to avoid sharp lines. So I make sure to apply this contour sort of with a rounded end to complement my beautiful cheeks. That's why you see me smiling as I apply it, so it emphasizes my cheeks. Okay guys, now on to the nose contour. I have a wide nose with a bit of a larger tip, so if you have a nose similar to mine, this technique may help you. I've learned this technique a little while ago and I've been loving it ever since. So I'm gonna move you guys a little closer so you can see the exact placement, and you can alter this to your natural bone structure so it really complements your face, because you know we all have different faces. So is she not gorgeous? Is she not gorgeous? No, okay, but my British accent could use a little bit of help, but this nose contour is bomb. We're just gonna blend it in with this beauty blender, just patting it in place, and then we're going to use our fingers just to get more precise lining and connect all those lines like so. Pro tip, when blending this near your nostrils and your tips, make sure to blend outwards. When blending on your bridge, make sure to blend inwards. I promise you this makes such a difference. Also, you're going to be seeing this eyeshadow a lot in this video, but I'm going to take a brown eyeshadow and just really emphasize those lines and connecting it lightly to my eyebrows. So here I am pressing my setting powder where I placed my concealer. I don't bake, I don't like to bake, so I wipe this off right after I put it on. I don't like to bake because it normally creates creasing under my eyes and we don't really like that. But I love a bright under eye, and this helps me get that desired look. However, I hate how a bright under eye makes my face look so flat. So I like to go in and lightly add back definition by redefining my natural under eye crease with the same brown eyeshadow I use for my nose contour. So since we're on the eyes, I'm going to use my white eyeliner all over my waterline. This helps to make my eyes appear a lot more brighter and bigger, and I love that since my eyes is one of my favorite parts of my face, so I love to use makeup to enhance them and just have fun with new makeup looks. I'm going in with that same brown eyeshadow to redefine my lash line to make my white eyeliner pop even more. Then I'm going to use my Huda Beauty eyeliner in the outer triangles of my eyes and on the upper lash line. Here we go again with that same brown eyeshadow. I told you guys we were going to be using that eyeshadow a lot in this video. I'm going to be adding some color to my eyes, and since I have rounder eyes, I like to blend upwards instead of outwards. I feel like this method flatters my face more since I have a round face. I'm going to be then using a beige eyeshadow to keep the inner corners of my face open. I don't want to close off my eyes. This part is just a little extra touch I love to do. I use my Too Faced Pretty Rich palette to lightly place a little shimmer to my eyes. This be having me look like I'm a member of the Collin family, and I love it, especially when you put some flash on me or the moonlight. It's just, oh my god, I love it. But when I do my wing eyeliner, I like to follow my natural eyeline, and since I have slightly hooded eyelids, I don't let my eyeliner interfere with my crease because it'll just have me looking a mess. Isn't she so cute? I think she is. She's so cute. Anyways, I like to use my lash curler just to help me feel better because I literally have no lashes. My lashes are so little and straight. Like, just look at them. Look at them. Where are they? Where are they? But that's why we wear falsies. Fun fact, there used to be a time where I could not leave the house without falsies, but you know, we're past that. We've grown up and we love ourselves. But still, I wear Kiss Demi Wispies, and I like to stack them sometimes for a more dramatic look. These ones I have on right now are stacked, but if you want a more natural look, just wear them how they come in the box. Trigger warning, I'm about to start feeling myself in 3, 2, here she is. She's so cute. I'm using purple blush. I've been loving purple blush lately, but when it comes to my blush placement, I don't let it pass my nose line, because it makes my face look droopy. And if you have this problem, maybe you should try this technique. Maybe it might help. Comment down below if you do. Try any of my techniques in this video. I would love to know how that works out for you. On to lip contour. Yes, I said it, lip contour. I'm going to be contouring my upper lip tubercle and the inner corner of my lips. I have really round, full lips, so I like to do this just to lift my lips a little bit, and I like to define my upper lip tubercle just to give it a little bit more shape. So I'm using a black eyeliner and just blending it out, but you can use a black or brown or whatever works for your lip shade. Eyeliner, eyeshadow, lipstick, whatever works for you to contour your lips. If you guys would like a video on lip contouring, let me know. I'll probably make an Instagram reel out of it. Just comment that down below. Okay, this is one of my gatekeep products. I love this lip gloss. Fun fact, actually, I got it from a girl. Her name is Angela. Shout out to you, Angela, for my 16th birthday. And me and her were not even close. And she came and was one of the only people who got me like a birthday present for my party. And I loved it ever since. It just makes my lips look so good. So thank you, Angela. And we're just gonna define my lips by adding some of that NARS foundation from earlier. We're gonna just make it look a little plumper. Speaking of gatekeeping products, this is not really gatekeeping, but this is one of my favorite products, the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. I swear by this product. I know this product is very popular, but I love this product. This actually makes my little straight lashes look like something. So thank you, Too Faced. Just look at the difference doing your bottom lashes does. Isn't that so cute? Unbelievable. So I'm going in with my Fenty highlight. I love this highlighter because it's so subtle but so beautiful. So I put it on my tip of my nose, my bridge, and the inner corner of my eyes. I do a little bit on my cheeks, but just the leftovers of what's there. And we're finally done with the makeup look. It came out so cute that I decided to make some TikToks. I just fixed up my hair and added this cute pink clip-in I got from Amazon. If you guys want to check that out, it's on both my Instagram and my TikTok. And if you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and I would love if you would subscribe, Now, enjoy my outro slow-mos, and thank you guys so much for watching my video.
Even if you are not ready for the day.